I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to verify your account on Kajabi, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for the verification email from Kajabi in your inbox. This email contains a link that you'll need to click to verify your account. Step 2. Click the verification link. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Kajabi website to confirm your account. Step 3. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the # link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Confirm your account status. Once logged in, check your account settings to ensure that your account status shows as verified. This can usually be found in the account settings section. Step 5. Troubleshoot issues. If you didn't receive the verification email, try resending it from the Kajabi login page. There is often a button labeled Resend Verification Email. Remember, if you don't see the email, it might be in your spam folder, so be sure to check there too. Good luck with your Kajabi account.